Wow, hi May! Happy birthday! Wow, 18! And that makes me 21. Oh. Anyway, oh, showbiz ha. Effort kung effort. Cool talaga. Kidding aside, may you find more meaning in your life. Oh, diba? I know you are an achiever, but I would just like to remind you that in your future achievements or mga endeavors mo, always stay grounded and always put God in everything that you do. I love you. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, May! Miss you!